I'm Chef Asata with Small Bites Adventure Club, and today we're talking about seeds. We're going to make an awesome energy-packed snack that both birds love, because birds love seeds, and people love, because people love seeds too. So let's get started. Our first ingredient is going to be sun butter. It's actually made from sunflower seeds. These are the sunflower seeds in the shell. Once they come out of the shell, you can grind them up and make sun butter. It's very similar to peanut butter or almond butter, so you can substitute those in this recipe if you don't have sun butter. Next, we're going to add some raisins for sweetness. Other alternatives could be dried cranberries that you get at the store. So our raisins are going to go right into our bowl. We're also going to add some oats. Stir them right into the mix. And our final ingredient will be a little bit of honey. So let's pour that right in there. And we're just going to stir this up until it's nice and smooth. And think of this as the base of our snack, our wonderful power-packed seed balls that we're making today. So let's stir it up until we get all of our ingredients incorporated into a nice thick batter. Just like that. For the next part, we're going to combine some more seeds. So if this is what sunflower seeds look like in the shell, then this is what sunflower seeds look like once they come out of the shell and they've had a chance to be roasted. Let's add some sunflower seeds, some white sesame seeds, and some whole flax seeds into our bowl. This is going to be the seed mixture that coats the outside of our seed balls. See all the different textures, colors of those seeds? Now let's mix it up. Beautiful, right? Okay, this next part gets a little sticky, so we're going to use some gloves. Once you get your gloves on, or you can spray your hands with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. You just want to grab a little bit of this mixture here, which is going to be the center of our seed balls. Roll it into a ball, roughly. Don't have to handle it too much. And then drop it right into your seed mixture. Then you're going to coat it by rolling it in here again. And voila, you have just created a very nutritious and delicious snack from seeds. We're going to keep going until all of our mixture is used up. All right, so there you go. These are our nutritious and delicious seed balls, loaded with protein, loaded with fiber, loaded with all kinds of nutrients that are going to be good to you and good for you. Let's take a bite. That was really tasty. Hey, Kylie, do you want to taste the seed balls that we made today? Yeah. Come here. I'll split one with you because they're kind of big. Want to take a bite? Come here. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good? Now that you have your nutritious and delicious seed balls, what are you going to do with all this energy? Are you going to grow taller? Are you going to run faster? Are you going to think big thoughts and change the world? I bet you are. That's it for now. I'm Chef Asata with Small Bites Adventure Club. Until next time.